Was it self-defense or a horrific hate crime and murder? That is the question that will soon be facing a judge. We're talking about the case of David Harris. He's trying to use Florida's Stand Your Ground law to dismiss the murder charge he faces in the beating death of a Jupiter man. And News Channel 5's Alyssa Hyman joins us live with what happened in court today. Alyssa.
Well, Michael, the state is arguing that the Stand Your Ground law doesn't apply here because Harris admitted to police that he and two others went out that night specifically targeting Guatemalans. Harris, however, is arguing it was self-defense.
It will soon be up to a Palm Beach County judge to decide whether to drop the murder charges against David Harris. Harris and his defense attorney are trying to convince the judge that he acted in self-defense and should be protected by the state's Stand Your Ground law when he beat Onesimo Marcelino Lopez-Ramos with an axe to death in 2015.
David did not start this fight. The other side brought the weapon.
Back in December, Harris got on the stand claiming he killed Lopez-Ramos because Ramos came at him with a pipe during a big group fight.
Of course, I knew he wasn't hurt, but I didn't think I would kill him.
But the state says this was no self-defense. In court Wednesday, prosecutors played extended interviews between Harris and the Jupiter police in which Harris tells detectives it was an unintentional homicide. But you can also hear him admit that he and his friends went out to, quote, Guat hunt, or the way police describe it, targeting Guatemalans. The other question before the judge, who bears the burden of proof, the state or the defense? Recent changes to the Stand Your Ground law would make it the state's responsibility. But does that apply here to a 2015 case?
And the judge decided to continue this motion to one more hearing that will be held in February. That is when both sides will wrap it up and it will then be in the judge's hands. The judge has said that she will likely issue 2 written orders because there is still that question of whether or not the new changes to the Stand Your Ground law apply here. So she plans to write 2 written orders in this case. Reporting live tonight from the Palm Beach County Courthouse, Alyssa Hyman, WPTV News Channel 5.